incredible results from our members. I don't just want to keep showing my own withdrawals, okay? Because I don't want people to start thinking, oh, is it only Bright that is making withdrawals on this platform? It's not only me, okay? This is the reason why I have dedicated this week to showing our members withdrawals in e-estate, okay? Just to let you know that if you join today, you will be able to make this kind of withdrawals as well. Okay, so this our member has been in estate for a long time and he has purchased a lot of properties. Okay, and out of those fractional real estate properties that he purchased, they are making him passive income that is allowing him to make these withdrawals. As you can see from the screen here, he has just made $900 withdrawal from his fractional real estates that he has purchased in estate, and he was kind enough to share the withdrawal success email that was sent to him. Okay, so as you can see from here, he made a withdrawal of $984.06. This is what he made withdrawal of, and this is a confirmation that his withdrawal request has been successfully processed into his private wallet. So I am not the only one making withdrawals, because I know that some of you are saying, okay, why is it that it's only Bright showing all his withdrawal videos? Why is it that other members are not showing their withdrawals? So this is proof that not only me is making withdrawals in e-estate. Other members are doing this. And if you are in e-estate and you have joined the official Telegram channel, you will see the people that are, sharing their success stories there. Okay. Now, this is one of the screenshots that I have used recently to show people that members of e-estate are breaking even on their properties that they have purchased, especially for those that are thinking that e-estate is too slow in terms of profit generation. It's not too slow, because this is a proof that people are breaking even. People are making over 100% of their original deposit, and then they break even and they are now in profit. So if you are sitting on the sidelines thinking that, oh, let me wait a little bit longer before I join, you are just wasting that precious time. Okay, the time that you would have been making money in e-estate, you are just wasting it. So this is the right time for you to do so. As you can see from this screenshot, this our member has purchased different properties. Okay, and if you look at the figures here, it's not just purchasing the minimum, it's purchasing way above the minimum. Okay, for example, these two properties that you can see from here that he has broken even, okay, has made over 100%. It did not deposit the minimum. Okay, it deposited more than the minimum, because I know that for this commerce, the minimum to deposit is $10,270, but he deposited $10,900 and he broke even on that. He made over $11,000, right? And then this one is the villa property that usually the minimum to start is $3,120. This guy did not put in just the minimum. He put in way more than the minimum. He put in 4,500, and that has made him $4,600 approximately. So he has made 100%, which is his initial deposit, has now been recovered, and he has made 2% profit on top of it for this particular real estate. And then this is the Phoenix Commerce one as well that he has broken even. So guys, and the other day somebody invested $499,870, which is $500,000 into purchasing real estate, guys. So what else are you waiting for? And withdrawal is working like clockwork, right? If you put in your withdrawal today, you withdraw within 5 minutes. It's processed. So I don't know what else you are waiting for before you join this platform. Now, remember, joining is free. You don't need to pay any money to join. So you can sign up with the link below this video description. It's free to sign up. Okay? Don't pay any money to sign up. You only deposit when you are ready to purchase your fractional real estate. Okay? So registration is free. Performing your KYC, uploading your government recognized document, okay, for example, your passport or your driver's license or your resident permit card. If you upload it, they'll allow you to do a selfie. Once that selfie is done and confirmed, your account will be verified and approved. You will have access to this profit calculator, and once you are here, you will be able to use the profit calculator to choose and select your desired property. For example, if I want to do this desert villa, this one, the minimum to start this one is $1,000, and I will be able to receive at least $5 on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays. So in a month, I should be getting about over $100, which to me is fair enough, right? For a platform that is going to be here for the next 10 years. Okay, even way beyond 10 years, because they've got 10 years roadmap. So I would rather join this platform and earn my 0.3% to 1% daily than joining a platform that is giving me 10% and then the platform will disappear after 3 weeks. Okay, so this is the advice I am giving to people. This is my recommendation, that you should think twice before you join those platforms that are offering very, very high return on your investment. Estate don't do that. Okay, and they are not promising you anything that is ridiculous, right? Anything that is not achievable. Estate is reliable. Estate is legit. That is why they are making it possible for every single person to have access to fractional real estate, okay, by bringing the minimum to join to $10 only. But trust me, if you are starting with $10, you will not make as much money as this our member that has just made a withdrawal of $900. Okay, $10 will not give you $900, guys. So you need to think about it before you join and before you purchase your property. Okay, you need to put in good money to purchase a fraction of real estate for you to earn good money, and then this will now elevate your financial status. Okay, so this is me. I just thought I should share this our member withdrawal proof to you guys, to let you know that I am not the only one making withdrawals. Okay, because you have seen all my withdrawal videos and you begin to wonder if there are other people that are making withdrawals. Yes, there are people in estate are making withdrawals. The only difference is not all of them have YouTube channel to record it. Okay, so this is it. The link to join is below this video description. If you wish to join estate with me, you are more than welcome to do so with the link below this video description. As I said, registration is free, KYC is free, and then you have access to dashboard, and then you use the profit calculator to check how much you want to put in, and then determine how much you are going to likely to be earning on a daily basis based on the 0.3 to 1% daily that they are offering, okay, when you purchase your real estate. Now remember, everything is automated, right? You do not have to be logged into your account on a daily basis, but if you do, you will get credited with what is called internal token. Okay, the internal token is called ETK. That ETK will not allow you to spin what is called money wheel, and then when you spin the money wheel, you will stand a chance to win up to $1,000. So again, everything is 100% automated. Okay, so if you are looking for a platform to invest in real estate, okay, then this is the best place to be. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to sign up using the link below this video description, and most importantly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are watching my channel today, and you have not subscribed, please do so, subscribe, and God bless you. Thank you.